Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Yes.
What was exactly predicted by Lord Chaitanya when he predicted golden age? People would be chanting Hare Krishna mantra.
Yes. People, just like we are now preaching Hare Krishna, in your country there was no such preaching. So we have sent our students in Europe, Germany, London. You are also spreading in this way. It is only our activities since 1966 practically. We have registered the association in 1966 and this is 68. So gradually you are spreading, and of course I am old man, I may die. If you have taken up this formula very nicely, then you will go on preaching and it will be spread all over the world. Very simple thing. Simply we require a little intelligence, that's all. So any intelligent man will appreciate. But if anyone wants to be cheated, then how he can be saved? If one willingly wants to be cheated, so it is very difficult to convince him. But those who are open-hearted, they will certainly accept this nice movement, Krishna consciousness. Yes.
When we engage in inferior energy, material energy, in service of Krishna, it becomes spiritualized.
No, when you apply your energy, it is no more material. It is spiritual. Just like when the copper wire is in touch with electricity, it is no more copper, it is electric. So service to Krishna means as soon as you dovetail yourself in the service of Krishna, you are not different from Krishna. That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Man chabra vicharini bhakti yogena ja sevate. This very word sevate. Sagunan samatitta etana brahma bhuyaya kalpate. Anyone who seriously engages himself in my service, immediately he becomes transcendental to the material qualities and he is on the platform of Brahma. Brahma bhuyaya kalpate. So, when you apply your energy in the service of Krishna, you do not think that your material energy is there. No. Just like these fruits, one may think, what is this prasadam? This fruit has been purchased. We also eat fruit at home. I know this is prasadam. No, because it is offered to Krishna, immediately it is no more material. The result, you eat Krishna prasadam and see how you are making progress in Krishna consciousness. Just if the physician gives you some medicine and if you get yourself cured, that is the effect of medicine. Another example is that how the material things become spiritual. A very nice example, just like you have taken a large quantity of milk, so there is some disorder in your bowel. You go to a physician, at least according to Vedic system, they will offer you a preparation which is called jugaad. That is milk preparation. That jugaad with little medicine will cure. Now, your disease was caused by milk and it is cured by milk. Why? It is directed by the physician. Similarly, everything in the higher sense, there is no existence of matter. It is only illusion. Just like this morning I was giving the instance of the sun and the fog. The fog was there. The sun could not be seen. The foolish person will say that there is no sun. It is simply fog. But intelligent person will say that sun is there, but the fog has covered our eyes, we cannot see the sun. Similarly, actually, everything being energy of Krishna, there is nothing material. Simply this mentality that we want to lord it over, that is fog, illusion. That is covering our relationship with Krishna. So that he will gradually understand. Sevan mukhahi jivhado sameva surattava. As you make progress in the service attitude, everything will become clear. How your energy has become spiritualized.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.